Joselyn, and today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of my bedroom.
Baby shampoo, come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early.
I have not done a room tour in years. Probably since I think 2018. I think I did one that winter, I think. It's been a quick minute. I meant to film one sooner, like during the summer. In the last year, I have done multiple things to change my bedroom in some way. And so I just wanted to wait until it was pretty much to my liking. If you did want to check out the other room tour video, it's on my main channel. This is going to be on my vlog channel. I feel like I've been neglecting this channel for too long. So here I am today. Let's just get started. So here is my doorway of my bedroom, and this is, I literally just hit my guitar. This is what you see when you first walk in. So very, I don't want to say colorful, but bright. So right when you walk in to my door and you're facing my room this way, you have my guitar. I got this guitar a couple years ago from Amazon. I think I got it for Christmas. She's a little out of tune and the strings are a bit frayed, but that's where I got this guitar. And then on the back of my door, I just have this reusable bag I got from Earthbound and my old SCAD lanyard. Now next to my guitar, I have my dresser. I don't know where I got my dresser from. I think I got it in like 2004, 2005. So I was very little. This and my nightstand are like matching pieces, and my bed frame, but they're gonna be replaced actually pretty soon in the next couple years. On my dresser, we have this little furniture stand. This thing I'm obsessed with. I got this at Marshall's probably about a year ago, and I just hang all my necklaces and the bracelets that I wear the most. And then down here I just have some miscellaneous things. I have like my name tag for work. I have a couple rings and I don't know, safety pins, just really random things that I just kind of throw there to get out of the way. And then I have this Bath & Body Works candle. I currently have 2 candles and an incense in my room, so the smell is quite overwhelming right now. And then just around the frame of my mirror, I have just a couple note cards and race bibs. And then I have a couple stickers up here that I just stuck. This one is actually my friend Eddie's company. It's called Kick Rocks. If you want to go follow them on Instagram or check out any of their merch type stuff, please do. It's a great company and he's a really great guy. So that's just a sticker from his company. Then over here, I have my mini Christmas tree. I got this from Target. I actually got this when making my first room tour video, or maybe it was like a Christmas decoration. Maybe that's what I'm thinking of. Have I ever filmed a room tour video? I don't even know. So that's my dresser. Also behind my Christmas tree, I have a picture of Zac Efron, which you can't see. I don't know why it's there, but it is, so we're just gonna accept it. Then I have my giant mirror behind me. Hey, hello. I got this mirror from Old Time Pottery. I just have this garland wrapped around. It's just taped, very badly taped along the sides, and it just hangs down. I got this garland from Amazon for like super cheap. And then also down here, I have my top-in air purifier. That air purifier I have had for over a year now. I got it as a PR package around this time of year, and I actually still use it, and it does justice. And then right here, I have my giant 6-foot Christmas tree. I call it a giant. It's not really a giant tree. It's just 6 foot, but I'm 5'3", and 6 foot to me is very tall. I have that tree. I got this from Target. I got my tree topper from Walmart. Same with the ornaments and like the garland. When I don't have my tree there, I have like this little thing right there, but then I had to move it because obviously it was in the way of my tree. And then I have all my records and my posters right there. This is probably like my favorite part of my room, just this corner, especially when I have like my book stand and everything like right behind this with my incense and my crystals and everything. It's just chef's kiss. I have a couple cool posters, and then I also, all these records on my wall, they like line my room. I got those all from Goodwill for like super cheap. I think like 99 cents each. Yeah, I just like took them out of the case and then taped both the case and the record onto my wall. If I did have a record player, I would obviously use the records, but right now they're just on my wall. So, and then up here I have my Polaroid wall with all my friends' pictures, just random pictures that I took. I literally love this wall. I don't know what I want to do with it because I don't want it to get like so big where it's like my entire bedroom wall is full of Polaroids, but right now we're just kind of living with it. And then underneath that I have my basket with a couple of my blankets in it, and then I have my lovely nightstand. On my nightstand I just have this book that I'm reading. I'm currently reading Children of the Exile. I just started this one because I just finished the other book that I just read. So far so good. I want to get through this like in less than a week, which I think I can because it's kind of small compared to the book that I just read. Then I have another candle going. This candle is just from Target, I think. I don't really know if it has a smell, but it's just there. Then I have my TJIN blue light glasses. I love these things. I use them like all the time because my eyes just get so strained when I'm looking at my screen for too long. Then I have my cloudy diffuser. And this little decor thing I got from, I think, Target like a really long time ago, or Walmart. Then I have some hand sanitizer because why not? Gotta stay safe from those germs. Then I have my MacBook. And that's pretty much all on like that side of the room. Now we have my bed. My duvet cover, I think it's from Amazon, like underneath this, but my sheets I think are from Target. My blanket right here, this red fluffy one, it's so comfortable. It's from Marshall's. Same with like this palm, I'm like leaning over my bed, hey. Same with this palm garland that's behind me. It's super cute. Got that from Marshall's. Then I just have a couple random pillows and stuffed animals. Up here, I just have this plant I got from Marshall's. Some of my medals and awards that I've earned. And then this thing that says Mary, I got that from Marshall's as well. And then my Polaroid camera. Super cute. I love this little piece up here. It is a little bit crowded right now just because I put some of the college decor that I didn't use up there just as like a placeholder. And then moving on, I have this little 9-shelf storage contraption type thing. I really like this. This is actually super old. It was in our bathroom and then like I got it to my bedroom once we redid our bathroom, so now it's just here. The storage bins I got from Target. Got this bookend and also this one right here from Marshall's. Super cute. And then I just have some of my books and journals in these two. I have a bunch of random things in like all of them. And then I have this plant right here that I got from Marshall's as well. And then I just have this tin can. I don't know where I got this, but it's empty. It's just there for decor purposes. Then up here is just a painting that my grandpa did. And then I have this incense going, as well as all these other incense that I have. Now, I don't use those incense because I was uneducated when I was buying them and first getting into incense. And they're actually fake, so it's just a lot of chemicals, they're colored, not super good. But I did get those off of Amazon, if you're curious. But I highly recommend that you don't get them because they're not safe. But the incense that I do use are from Earthbound, and they're super cheap. I think it's like, you can get 100 for $10, 30 for $4. That's what I'm burning right now. Then I have this Febreze cranberry, literally my favorite. That and the pine one that's on my dresser, absolutely amazing for the winter time. Then I have these 3 candles. They're pretty much empty. I just have them there just to fill space. I have this little section that I'm obsessed with. I have my crystals right here and like what the crystals are. I have 2 flash drives. Then I have these 4 coin dollars. A guy from work actually gave me these like a couple days ago, like on Thanksgiving actually. So I don't really know what to do with them. Oh, they're $50. That's interesting. Yeah, so right now they're just chilling right there. And then I have this really cool eye mirror that I got from Marshall's. So moving on to my desk area. The lighting is just so weird right now. I can't do this. I have this storage contraption and this little tray up here that holds my nail polishes. I got both of those as well as this thing from Marshall's. I literally love this makeup storage. It comes with 4 big storages and then like 2 little ones. It's literally perfect and just holds like the perfect amount of the makeup that I have. Then I have this mirror. Hey, and I have my pumpkin pie chapstick. Literally love this. And then on my windowsill, I just have a bunch of random things. I have my pre-workout, some perfumes that I wear, and also just some like makeup oriented stuff. I just realized that this is in Spanish. No, it's not focusing. This is literally in Spanish. How did I not notice that? Anyways, this is the Claire's Rapid like ear things to clean your earrings. And then I have a couple perfumes that I wear. I love this one's the Victoria's Secret Bombshell. This one smells so good. I wear this like every single day. And then I have my makeup brushes that I use. I also have some makeup brushes over here, but I don't use them. They're kind of just like the weird ones that like I'll use if I need them. And then I have this little thing, which I honestly probably need to get rid of because it's like gross, but I also don't really use it. It just holds all the bracelets and stuff that I don't use or wear. And then I just have a couple like jewelry boxes and then my rose quartz face roller. We're not gonna go inside my desk because that's gonna be a train wreck. And then I just have my closet, which we're not gonna touch either, but it's a mess. I probably need to do a closet clean out sometime soon in the next couple days. And then just like that, we're back at my door. I feel like I was talking so fast, but that's my room tour and I hope you guys enjoyed it. My room is still in need of a lot of upgrades, but this is what we're working with. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you subscribe to my main channel, subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna be posting on both, especially since I'll be home for a whole entire month for winter break. I will see you guys. Whoa. Why is this getting so blurry right now? Hello? Okay, I will see you guys sometime soon. Peace.
So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon?